Chase Bank has enhanced its mobile app to provide instant access to your full credit card number. The process begins by opening the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Once logged in, navigate to your credit card account from the main dashboard. You'll see your account overview with balance and recent activity. Next, look for the Show Details or Account Details option within your credit card account. This will initiate the process to view your sensitive card information. For security, you'll need to authenticate using biometric verification such as fingerprint, Face ID, or your PIN. This ensures only you can access your sensitive card information. Once authenticated, you can view your complete card information, including the full 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. All the details you need for online purchases or other transactions. This digital access eliminates the need to wait for a physical card and provides immediate access for online shopping, travel emergencies, or setting up subscription services. Your card information is available whenever you need it, securely and instantly. Chase employs multiple layers of security to protect your credit card information when accessing it through their mobile app. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification before granting access to your sensitive card information. Following these best practices will help ensure your account remains secure when accessing your card information digitally. Avoid accessing sensitive card information when connected to public Wi-Fi networks, as these connections are often unsecured and vulnerable to interception. If you encounter issues accessing your card information, here are common solutions to resolve technical problems with the Chase mobile app. Remember, Chase's security features work best when combined with your vigilant security practices. Stay informed, stay secure, and always prioritize the protection of your financial information.